Hey, it's editing Diana here. I've tried to film this part so many times and I just can't seem to get the words out properly. But I'm gonna go ahead and try my best. So I fully support the Black Lives Matter movement and all the protests against police brutality. It feels wrong of me to just post a video and act like nothing is going on in the world when clearly there are very serious things going on. So I'll have links down below of where you can donate if you have the money and where you can read more stuff about the situation and educate yourself. Of course, we can't just stop at the donating and, go on with our very merry day. We all must do more. We must keep educating ourselves, educating others, doing what we can to make this world a better place. And of course, don't expect an award for helping anyone. This should be second nature to everyone. If you have privilege, white privilege especially, I feel like it is our responsibility to help those who don't. Again, I'll be leaving links down below that can word this, explain it much better than I can. I know how I feel and I know what I need to do. And like I said before, links down in the description below. Do what you can. Stay safe out there. Enjoy the video. I hope you guys are all doing okay today. I'm trying to be okay. I woke up and I worked out, as you saw, took a shower, and now I'm finally getting ready for the day. And it is 9:45. I wanted to be done getting ready by 9:30, so basically this whole vlog is just gonna be me running around trying to get stuff done and not have a panic attack. I'm gonna sit you guys down and do my makeup. Okay, finally sitting down. I need to do this quick because this is the only time that it's ever quiet in this house, and that is when the babies are out for a walk. So a lot to do today. I'm very overwhelmed. Yesterday I got an email saying that I needed to hand in pretty much all these documents, the first payment, which is like $6,000 for dental hygiene school, and that needed to be in by Friday. Today is Wednesday, I believe. It's Thursday. Jesus Christ. It's Thursday. So, I'm not too worried too much about my makeup. Not that I ever am. I'm gonna be wearing a mask most of the day. Today is just gonna be a mess. I keep saying this. Everyone's like, so are you in school? And I'm like, I do not know, and I do not feel like I am. Ooh, let me just move that a little bit. I do not feel like I am officially accepted until like the first day of school. Like not even orientation, like my first assignment, something like that is marked. It just, I don't know why I feel that way, and I just, everyone's like, oh, so you're doing dental hygiene school? And I'm always like, maybe, I don't know. I'm still not sure. So while I did say it doesn't feel like I'm like officially starting school until I actually started the first day, I do feel like a sense of urgency to like get stuff done. My whole plan is to basically have my whole place cleaned and like frames put up, curtains put up, like everything done that I want to get done before school starts. And so I basically have like a month to get that done. I'm still deciding on where to keep my desk. I do like it here. It's just I don't know what it's going to be like. Like I don't know. We're doing online classes, but I don't know if they want us to like, if they want to be able to see us in class. So I don't know if it'll be video or like, is it going to be too loud, too distracting? So my options are leaving it where it is right now, which is in my living room, or putting it in the second bedroom. I need to clean that bedroom out anyway. but there's going to be a lot of maneuvering and stuff like that if that's the case, if I end up putting it in there. So I might put it in there, and then try and like edit videos and stuff like that and see if I like the vibe of it. It'll definitely be a lot more quieter because the bedroom is right under my sister's bedroom, so, and they're not in there at all during the day. So today's gonna be a lot of running around. I'm not gonna take this camera because I'm still not 100% sure if I will be keeping it. I have a 90-day return policy on this from Costco, so I'm still testing it out, and I don't want to accidentally break it or anything like that. And also I don't want to just, I hate carrying a lot of stuff into stores nowadays anyway, so just use my phone for the outside stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, get my hair dried, do all this paperwork that I need to do, get my video ready to upload, and go see the babies. So as you can see, my hair is naturally curly, like ringlety curly, and this is a lifesaver, truly. So you can start seeing how frizzy that is, and I'll show you how smooth it gets at the end. Do you see how smooth it is now? And that was like less than 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna, probably won't. But sometimes I go through with like a hair straightener. Now I'm gonna try and make this look less noticeable. Slightly better, not the best. Whatever, it is what it is. Freaking hot right now. I just dropped off all my stuff that I needed to do for my dental hygiene program, and then I went to Save On, and now I'm finally home. Like I've said before, I'm pretty panicked when I like leave the house, so I like just completely forgot that I was vlogging today. So while my food is cooking, it's almost done. Let me just quickly sit down with you guys and talk about my plan for June and how I'm going to prepare for dental hygiene school, my program, and just kind of get my whole living situation organized. So while I wait for my food to cool down, because I finished cooking by the time I set everything up, I thought I would just kind of go through with my iPad and show you guys what I like to do when I'm trying to prepare for something and I need to plan out everything. I'm definitely someone who, while I can imagine things, for me it's like better if I just see it written down. I can't just like have it floating around in my head. So my iPad is my very favorite thing to write on, and I usually use GoodNotes for school notes and stuff like that, but today I'm going to just use notes. Today is May 28th and my first day of school is June 29th, so I pretty much have exactly a month until school starts. So what I want to get done mainly is just have everything organized. That way when school starts, I don't have to be rummaging for stuff, stressed out that things are messy. Basically, I can spend the next 2 years just getting by with just kind of like light cleaning. I don't have to do any deep cleaning, hopefully. Other than like maybe my closet and stuff like that, and like my bathroom again. But in terms of like the big stuff, I just want to like, I just want it to all go smoothly And I know it won't, but I just need to prepare. I need to do what I can to make myself feel better about this next 2 years. So I'm gonna start with, yeah, cleaning. So I don't want to think too much about this. I just want to like get it done and over with, like written out. And then later I'll go in and see like where in my schedule I can fit that kind of stuff in. Yeah, okay, so let's start with, I'm just gonna go with as you like enter in my place. So living room. Okay, living room. So I want to move couch and deep clean floors. Now you may be wondering why this kind of stuff I need to get done before school starts. I will be doing online classes, and my desk right now is in my living room and I really like it here, but it can get really loud upstairs, so if I want to film anything I kind of have to wait till they're sleeping or being quiet. I don't know if you can hear them right now. So I do have a second bedroom, and that's basically just storage. My sister put her old queen bed in there, and so I'd have to like move things around if I wanted my desk in there. So I kind of want to see how it feels like, if I can like, if I feel comfortable. But essentially I would like my desk, if it feels right, to go into the second bedroom, so that when I'm studying all day, pretty much going to school all day and then studying on top of that, I kind of want to just be able to come out here and chill and not look at my computer screen and be like, oh, I should be working kind of thing, or I should be studying. And so more throw pillows, TV wall mounts, spray paint stuff, hang pictures, like that's just all to kind of like bring calmness to me, I guess, like just to help me relax more when I'm not in study mode. One of my favorite things, or like favorite reasons why I love using my iPad, is I'm like a commitment phobe. Like I would buy like years upon years of just like those calendar journals, and it would stress me out to write anything in it because I was worried that if it wasn't good, or if I didn't end up doing it at the time that I wrote it down, I'd have to erase it and then it would look messy and I can't make it look nice. I know, I'm bizarre. So that's why I really like my iPad, is because at any point in time I can just kind of like crop things out and move it around like this, like super easy. You can just move that around. Erase stuff, add stuff, like iPad for really anxious people, like I highly recommend. Yeah, my kitchen is always like an ongoing thing, so I'm constantly cleaning it, and now that like I'm sure everyone else knows you're home more, you're just cooking more, like I'm so sick of doing dishes, like so sick of it. I just want to be more organized in the kitchen. And then I do want to get a rug or slash mat for the area to make it look nice, like tie it in. I want new tea towels. And I want placemats for a table. So initially when I moved in, I was just kind of like saving up money to decorate the rest of my place, and then I was like, oh, bedroom will be last. And then I just kind of really gotten used to having like absolutely nothing on my walls in my bedroom, and like having the closet door shut, and then it's just me, my bed, and my nightstand. I don't know why about it, but I don't know why, but it's just very comforting. And I don't know if I'm ever like, because I'm on a floor level, and so sometimes when things like scare me, I know that there shouldn't be anything on the walls. So if I see something on the walls, like you know, it's like ding ding ding, like something's not right. So so not having anything to like shadows or anything, I know it's so childish, but I feel like calm, that there's nothing in there distracting me, nothing that I'm worried about falling. I was planning on putting stuff up, but then I was just like, I really like just having nothing like in my bedroom, absolutely nothing. So that's for now. I'm not saying it's gonna be that way forever, but right now that's the way I like it. I just need to keep dusting. So this is the gist of it. You don't have to like sit here and watch me plan out everything. So I do this, and then once I'm done that, I kind of look at my schedule and see when I can do things by. So like some of the stuff needs to be ordered, some of the stuff I need to do like a day out of to like spray paint or like clean kind of thing. I know it looks like a lot. As long as I keep it organized and give myself a due date, I should be good to go. With all this stuff, I also need to balance, you know, filming stuff for YouTube and editing and still having time to relax, because I'm not going to have any time in the next 2 years. Oh yeah, and hang out with my family and stuff like that. So I need to kind of juggle all of that, which shouldn't be a problem. It just probably means I need to wake up, like actually wake up earlier. I set my alarm clock for 7, and then I usually don't get out of bed till about 7:30, 7:45. Since I've gotten like all like the payments out of the way, I just need to apply for student loan for dental hygiene. And that's more of the administrative side of my life that's done. Most of the stuff I'm gonna have to wait until I see how much my student loan is, and then I need to create a budget, and if I have enough room for that, then I will buy some stuff. Otherwise, the decorating stuff is just gonna have to be stuff on the go when I have time, and I'm gonna try and like look at it more as like me time, do something fun. But the cleaning and just like knowing, especially where I want this desk to be, is like my main goal. I've done enough talking, so I'm just gonna go and eat now. Finally eating my food. Here it is. It looks so good. It's a little cooled down now, but it is crunchy how I want it. And yes, I'm eating off a cutting board because I don't want to waste a plate, because it's just me. So anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys here, enjoy my food. I'm gonna watch I'm watching Ant-Man 2 and Captain Marvel, because I finished the Avengers Infinity War last night. Okay, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.